Okay, so this is the 26-inch Norfolk Pine Wreath Christmas wreath. Now, this can be for the front door, this can be for inside your home, on a mirror, anything like that. I'm unboxing it in real time exactly in front of you guys. This is exactly how it looks coming out of the plastic and the box. What I loved about this is not only the color, the vibrancy of it, but it was the actual feel. It's like that realistic feel of the branches. I'm very picky about my Christmas decor, and this is something very nice. This is that soft, easy to move around and keep in the position that I want it to. It makes my front door pop. I was sent this to test out, and I gotta say, I would highly recommend. I'm actually gonna purchase a few more of these for my other windows in front of the home. As you can tell here, up against the black door, it pops. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. During Christmas, I'm gonna go ahead and add that red bow and have it decorated just beautifully. And this is something I can use year round. I mean, you don't even have to use it just at Christmas. It's a gorgeous wreath. This is something you could decorate with all sorts of different ribbon and colors. Of course, I'm going to have it up this year, but I also want to show you where else you can put it. So inside of the home, if you don't want to keep it on the outside of your door, you can put it on top of a mirror. You can either do a rectangle, a circle, or even an arched mirror. This would look absolutely gorgeous on. Then you can even put it on a blanket ladder, have it at the very top, layer your blankets or your magazines underneath, and poof, you got like an instant gorgeous home decor piece that you're going to be able to use almost year round. I really like this. I recommend it, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous.